Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to email AliExpress. So actually you cannot email AliExpress because they simply do not have public email. Instead you have to go to your account at the bottom right and enter Help Center. That looks like headphones icon. And at the bottom side of your screen, press Online Service button, which basically redirects you to chat where you can write your question, send it, and wait for response. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.